This video is sponsored by your Wi-Fi router because let's be honest, no one uses dial-up anymore. What's up guys? Welcome back to Honest Cooks Presents Celebrecipes, a series where we reconstruct favorite foods of our favorite celebrities, and you're watching episode numero 2. In the premiere episode, we showed you silver screen's favorite superhero, Robert Downey Jr.'s cheat day meal. In today's episode, we're talking about someone who's nothing short of a real-life superhero for many Americans right now. You got it. We're talking about the 46th President of the United States, President Joe Biden, and his favorite food. Let's get started. A very reliable source said that President Joe Biden loves pasta in red sauce.
Ice cream is big. Pasta with red sauce, he can go deep on that.
Once we knew that, it wasn't hard to find that his favorite pasta dish is Angel Hair Pomodoro, which he often eats at Cafe Milano in Georgetown. To replicate that, let's start with the sauce. Pomodoro is a very simple but extremely flavorful tomato-based sauce. It's important to use really good quality tomatoes because we won't be manipulating the sauce at all with excessive herbs or spices. Traditionally, this sauce is made with Corbarino tomatoes, which are exceptionally rare to find. So I decided to go for these tomatoes from South Italy, and these are peeled and whole. Because this sauce is cooked slowly, whole tomatoes will disintegrate better. To start the sauce, I need to get this can open. There we go. Transfer this to a pot. And if you're wondering what exactly is the difference between Pomodoro and marinara, well, marinara has a lot more ingredients such as oregano and red chili flakes. The texture of Pomodoro differs from that of marinara. Marinara sauce is chunkier, but it's also runny. To this, we will add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, salt, a touch of sugar, and just a tiny bit of water to rinse the can. Gently mash the tomatoes a bit and cover it to cook on low flame for a good 30 minutes. In about 30 minutes, the tomatoes will have disintegrated a lot. So we will mash the ones that are still holding shape. The more you simmer the tomatoes, the more flavorful the sauce becomes. Adjust the seasoning, and then we'll add extra virgin olive oil and freshly torn basil. Sauces developed back in the day used very basic ingredients, and this recipe is no different. Stir it all up and let it bubble on low flame for another 10 minutes. While the sauce is getting done, let's cook the pasta. Angel hair. You can definitely make fresh pasta at home also, but angel hair is super fine and I like the texture from the dried store-bought pasta. We'll cook this in heavily salted water, no more than 4 minutes, and when that's ready, drain it off and it's time to plate. There's 2 ways I wanted to plate this one. One with the sauce added on top of the pasta, and another with the sauce already mixed with the pasta. Either way, add a touch more sauce on your plate because it's so fresh and delicious, and we'll finish with some palm shavings and basil. There we have it, Angel Hair Pomodoro. We hope you're enjoying this series. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Until then, have a lovely day.